Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting water-soluble PVA mesh that fits your fabric and project. Inspect mesh weight and choose lighter mesh for delicate fabrics and heavier mesh for sturdy textiles. Measure and mark the area, then cut the mesh leaving 1/4 inch overlap for stitching stability. Test one scrap piece first. When ready, soak the mesh edge in warm water near 40 degrees C to activate dissolution. Allow 1 to 5 minutes of soaking for testing, only before applying to your main workpiece. Place the PVA mesh on the fabric with the printable or textured side up. Secure the mesh by hooping fabric and mesh together for a flat, stable sewing surface. Use a size 12 needle and medium polyester thread to reduce skipped stitches and breakage. Set your machine to a 2.5 mm stitch length for balanced density and stability. Stitch your design directly through the mesh and fabric, keeping tension moderate and consistent. Trim excess mesh to within 1/4 inch of the stitching when stitching is finished. After stitching, dissolve the PVA mesh by rinsing the stitched area under lukewarm running water. Rub gently with fingers until the mesh fully dissolves and no residue remains. The process usually takes under 2 minutes for light mesh and up to 5 minutes for heavier mesh strands. Gently squeeze out excess water without wringing to preserve stitches and shape. Lay the piece flat on a towel to dry, then press on low heat if necessary. Do not use bleach or harsh chemicals on the finished embroidery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.